Hey guys, Mix Me a Girl here. So today we're going to do an awesome pour on this spinner. An awesome fan got me this. It's from Amazon. I have it in my store, and actually if you're watching this in real time, it is on sale on Amazon Prime. It's Prime Day, so go ahead and snag yours up. It'll be linked in the description. And I'm going to go ahead and use a 10 by 10 canvas on here. Oh, and above this I have a shower cap. I don't remember who suggested that, but it was genius. You can get a bazillion shower caps off of Amazon for just a few bucks. And there you go. So to attach this so it doesn't go flying off as I'm spinning it, I just have some double-sided sticky tape on here. And that is just from the dollar store. I prefer to use this kind of thick foamy stuff. I think it holds the best. I'm just putting a couple pieces on there, and then I'm going to center it the best that I can. Now, so that it doesn't go sliding around on here, I have this on a silicone mat, so it's not going to move. I also just did a class mixing up a ton of oranges and orange colors. So I'm going to use those, and I'm going to use one of my double split cups, 3 compartments. So I'm going to go ahead and go light to dark. Yeah, starting towards me, and these are all Mixed Media Girl paints. So I'm using some white. This is primary yellow, and then these colors don't particularly have names. Their names I just mixed up in my class. And I have some browns here as well. All right, so in this compartment I'll start with that color. Has some kind of peachy colors, coral kind of. And just kind of straight orange there. And this looks red probably in the light, but it's a really red orange. Start that color here. And then I have this reddish brown, kind of almost a dark rusty kind of color. And I'm going to finish it off with some Merlot in there. I think I'll top that off also with a little bit of this yellow because I really like it. Okay. So now I'm going to get the paint all out of the way, and then we'll get started. Alright, I've had this idea that I wanted to try, which is just basically a straight pour, but I'm going to rotate it as I am pouring. So I'm not going to spin it fast or anything. I'm just going to pour out, and then I'm going to rotate this. This takes great skill and coordination that I'm not sure if I have. We're going to go ahead and find out. Okay. And obviously we're going to get really warm colors here. So by rotating it, it's helping those colors to move around even more. They'll still stay fairly separate because of the split cup though. And I was asked where you can get the split cup. I make these split cups myself, and I sell them in my store. So link to all materials will be in the description, okay guys? Alright, this already looks so cool. Look at that. It gave it this like kind of crazy spiral look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of slowly spin it. I don't want to go crazy, but the good thing about the spinner is it moves your design out at an even rate. So you're not gonna get distortion. Of course, if you poured not totally evenly, it'll move out a little differently, but that's okay. I'm gonna help these corners along. And just, you know, wet paint likes to flow where there's already wet paint. Spin it maybe a little harder. There we go. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so this is all yellows, oranges, peaches, browns, and then I love that white there for contrast. That actually made this super awesome. We've got the dark brown plus that Merlot in there. So using that split cup and doing the light to dark, it's so cool. I'm so in love with this. This came out actually way better than I thought. I like it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. And I really hope you like the painting as much as I do. So check down in the description for all the materials. Once again, if you're watching this in real time, it's Amazon Prime Day. You can get this spinner for a really good deal. I'll post a link in the description. Plus, these are all Mixed Media Girl paints and Mixed Media Girl split cup. That will be in the description as well. I'll see you all next time.